Hey guys, so I'm just going to show you a good workout today. If you don't go out to the gym, if you just want to do it at home, all you need is 2 water jugs. I'm going to show you how you can use them. So first we're just going to start off with some squats. If you're a beginner or if you're not, you can still use this. You can have it empty if that's how you want to start, but we're just going to do about 10 squats. Let's go. So the next thing we're going to do is a tricep exercise. So what you can do is just grab the water jug, put it over your head, and you're just going to go back and forth. So next we're going to do a backward lunge. We're going to do 10 on each leg. So just hold it out in front of you and step back. Come back forward. So the next thing we're going to do is grab both water jugs, grab them by the handles, and we're going to do some bicep curls. Okay, so what you can do is just do each of those exercises 3 times each, go around, and the best part is, once you get done, you got yourself some water. If you learned anything today, just remember to like and subscribe. We're going to have a lot more home workouts that you can do. And remember, don't sit, get fit.